Hello, my dear friends. I'm so happy to connect with you again. I'm already excited to see you for the Akashic Records seminar, which will be from March 30th till April 3rd. 5 days we will spend together in a hybrid seminar, and we will connect together to the Akashic Records to heal ourselves, to let go of stuff that doesn't serve us anymore, and just to create a more joyful and happier life for ourselves. On day 1, so March 30th, we will learn how to connect to our own Akashic Records. And I have a wonderful system that will show you not only how you can connect to the Akashic Records, but I want to make sure that you know that you're connected to the Akashic Records. So I created this system to teach you and that you feel secure and that you feel safe with your connection in the Akashic Records, and that you can address your own problems so you can develop your own soul purpose for this life. On the second day, I will show you how to connect to the Akashic Records for others. So you can open the Akashic Records for others and help them to develop their purpose, their soul, and let go of painful old experiences. And on the third day, we will go really deep in the Akashic Records, and everything that we learn in the whole 5 days is good for our own development and for our work with others. So on day 3, we will go really deep, and I will show you how to give a professional Akashic record reading, which you can also, and you should, apply also for yourselves. And then we have 2 advanced seminar days. And these days we will address 4 subjects, and they will take us really deep into our own personal healing journey. On the first day, we will look at trauma, things that we or our clients experienced and that have left an emotional scar on our heart and our being. And we want to transform this trauma into healing, into recovery, into thriving, into a wonderful life. So you will learn how to heal traumatic experiences, whether they are known and on the surface, meaning you deal with it every day, or they are hidden somewhere in your subconscious and they keep you stuck in your life experiences, maybe in making more money or finding the right partner or not allowing you to get healthy on a physical level. And then at the same day, we will work on our crazy mind. And I kind of call it, in a little joking way, but there's some seriousness to it too, the non-clinical schizophrenia. So we will work on our mind, on all the stuff that constantly goes on in our mind. And I want to show you a technique on how you can sort it out. How you can see, wow, this is just stuff that I made up based on bad past experiences. And this is actually reality. And then, of course, we work with it in the Akashic Records. So you can really trust your thoughts. Most problems we have as human beings, we have because we are lazy thinkers. So we don't really know how to use our mind. So it is in a positive way for us. We definitely want to do better with that. And that's why I created this subject for our crazy mind, or the non-clinical schizophrenia. And on the last day, the last advanced day, the 5th day of our seminar, I want to address a subject that most people still really let's say, suffer under, and it's that we don't feel our own value. How much am I worthy to myself? How much worth do I allow myself to have, to feel, to live, to experience? And I have created a really cool technique to bring out of you what you most likely believe you're worth and what you are really worthy of. And I would like to show you how we can work with that. And the last subject for our seminar will be a family constellation in the Akashic Records. So we will work with our family and friends and old beliefs we have regarding subjects like things that they have taught us or that have lived in front of us and we just copied, thinking that it is us, but actually it's stuck in us and it has nothing to do with us. So the family constellation is a wonderful, wonderful subject too, and I'm really excited to share it with you. Bottom line is, I'm happy to see you. I'm excited to see you. I'm happy my team is gonna support me. You are really well taken care of. And I can't wait. I really can't wait to have this experience with you. March 30th till April 3rd. And it's in English-Polish language. So we have a wonderful translator, Vicky. And I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Dziękuję. Bye-bye.